Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make coffee kombucha. This delightful beverage offers a unique twist on traditional kombucha. To start, you will need a batch of unflavored kombucha that has already completed its first fermentation. It is crucial to ensure all your bottles and tools are meticulously clean and sanitized to prevent any unwanted bacteria from affecting your brew. This preparation sets the stage for a successful and delicious coffee kombucha. Now, let's prepare for the second fermentation. You will need your finished kombucha, some freshly brewed and chilled strong coffee, and a bit of sugar. For every half gallon of kombucha, incorporate about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of the chilled coffee. Additionally, add approximately 2 teaspoons of sugar per half gallon. This sugar will provide the necessary fuel for the carbonation process, giving your coffee kombucha that satisfying fizz. Next, carefully pour your coffee kombucha mixture into airtight bottles, ensuring you leave 1 to 2 inches of headspace at the top. This space is vital for carbonation. You can also experiment with optional flavors, such as half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder per half gallon. Allow your bottles to ferment at room temperature for 3 to 10 days, and remember to burp them daily by briefly opening the lids to release excess pressure. Once your coffee kombucha has reached your preferred level of fizziness, it is time to move it to the refrigerator. Chilling the bottles will significantly slow down the fermentation, locking in that perfect balance of flavor and carbonation. Your homemade coffee kombucha can be stored in the fridge for several weeks. For the most enjoyable experience, always serve your coffee kombucha cold. Cheers to your delicious homemade brew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.